And this is my Vacheron Constantin, or Vacheron Constant. Interesting box. You open it up, there's the watch. Open, has the pen, paperwork, warranty card, manual, certificate, guarantee, all there, seal. So, mostly complete. It's like a little passport here, which is kind of cool. Actually, at least has the watch itself. In here, it really is like a passport for like a little identity book for your watch. So it's a little service book. You can take it in and probably send that in with the watch when it needs to be sent. Kind of a neat little thing that they do there. So, nice little thing. The case itself is small, but kind of different, kind of nice. Not too fancy, not terrible for an 18 karat gold.